Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna be reviewing this candle. This is a Starlight candle and it's in vanilla bean and I'm burning it right now, as you can see. As far as scent throw, it throws like all the way through your room, and the throwback is really nice. It's just in general, I really like this candle and it's really nice and it burns quite evenly. But here at the top you can see this wax here, it hasn't melted yet, but I've only been burning at this for like 2 hours, so I guess it should be there after a little while. But yeah, this is a sweet vanilla scent. It's quite strong, but I really like this candle, as I said before. But yeah, and overall I would definitely rebuy this product, and I do recommend this candle because it is really good. I mean, it's really good for the price. I live in Iceland, so I don't have Bath and Body Works or Yankee candles or any of that stuff in Iceland. At least I don't have Yankee candles where I live, but I know it's somewhere in this country, somewhere, yeah. So this candle costed about 4.50 US dollar, but in Icelandic kronas it costed about 998 Icelandic kronas. So yeah, that's not really a bad price. I've seen candles that cost up to like $30-40 or 4,000 Icelandic kronas or even higher. It's all from 3,000 Icelandic kronas, so, and way up, so that's like $30-40, so that's a lot of money. So I'm not really into buying candles that cost that much of money. So yeah, I really like this candle, and I really recommend this candle because it has a really nice scent to it, a nice scent throw. So in general, it's a really nice candle. And thank you for watching and have a great day.